So this question's a little bit backwards from the previous questions, and it's asking us to come up with an equation with certain characteristics instead of us getting an equation and asking what the characteristics are. So it looks like from the directions we need to come up with a cosine curve that has a period of pi and amplitude of 1, a phase shift that is left one, left pi, and a vertical translation, so vertical shift down 3/2 units. Okay, so the cosine part's easy. We'll just use cosine. If we want the amplitude to be 1, the amplitude is the absolute value of A. So in front of cosine, I need either a 1 or a -1. Either one technically makes that true. And since it's 1 cosine, just like with 1x, we can just assume it's 1. So I've got that taken care of here without writing anything. For my period is 2 pi over b. So if I want it to be pi, you could set it equal to pi and then solve for b. Or you could just ask yourself, what is 2 pi divided by what? Gives you pi, and then of course is 2. And so 2 is the coefficient on x. So by doing that, I've got that in good shape. The phase shift to go left, I need to add towards x, just like you did in algebra. And then the formula to calculate how much phase shift there is c over b. So if you want c over b to be pi, and we've already determined that b has to be 2, then we have an equation where we can now solve this for c. Multiply both sides by 2. And so it looks like c needs to be 2 pi. Now my c divided by my b is pi. So now that looks good. And then vertical shift to go down, I need to subtract. So I can either put that here or here. 3/2. And then that's good too. So it looks like it's got all the pieces. So that would be the function that would match up with it.